back to my room quickly. I hope I don't get caught. I hope I don't get caught.
Well, was someone here? I must have imagined it.
Looks like they didn't notice. I need to find a way to sneak out of the house.
I'm coming!
I need to get back to my room quickly. I hope I haven't forgotten anything.
Wait. Was someone here? Who broke the glass?
I need to find a way to sneak out of the house.
Wait a minute!
That team is full of idiots!
Oops! I hope I don't get caught. I hope I don't get caught.
Wait. Is it just me or... I keep thinking something is wrong
Looks
again.
like they didn't notice. Oops.
Well? Is it just me or... Alright, have to go water the plants.
I need to find a way to sneak out of the house. If I move while crouching, my parents won't hear me.
Is that noise coming from bedroom? I need to check.
I need to get back to my room quickly.
Wait a second. Is someone was here? Well, everything seems fine.
Looks like they didn't notice. No way! Me doing homework, me and studying just don't go together.
What was that?
Oops! I hope I haven't forgotten anything.
Where are you going?
Yana! Come here! Our son has disappeared! Why don't you stop knocking?
Just kick the ball already!
Wait a second. Is it just me or... Everything seems to be in place?
Come on!
What the heck has happened there?
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Wait a second. Let me out of here now! Hey!
What's going on here? Stop right there!
Hiding!
Rascal!
Just you wait!
Sitting in the closet!
back to my room quickly. I hope I don't get caught. I hope I don't get caught.
Something's not right here. Where are you going? Ah!
Huh? Well? Who turned the TV on? Now you're gonna get it! Gamma! Come here! Our son has disappeared!
You're going to get it now.
Stop! Oh, you best stop!
You rascal!
Where did he go? Come on, get to it and make sure the floor shines.